Hi, in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to bundle products in your Shopify store. It's very simple process. You have to click the products here and you will find a collection option here. Actually, collection is a facility for putting your products in a bundle. Let me click here. I have two collections. One is home page, one is test collection. You can create the new collection also according to your requirement. And now I'm going to tell you how to put products in this collection. I have a collection named home page. When I will click this collection, you can see 3 products are added in this collection. And if you will put more products here, I have already 3 products, and if you will put some product here like a copy of pizza, I'm going to put this in a collection. You have to click this and add to collection, click the required collection and save. Now this product is also the part of a bundle. This is a way how to bundle your products in Shopify. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.